Purposeful arrangement of parts as evidence for intelligent design by non-human minds. The discovery of purposeful arrangement of parts is one of the most compelling signs of intelligent design. Whether in human artifacts, animal behavior, or even hypothetical extraterrestrial encounters, such arrangements often indicate the presence of an intelligent mind behind the design. Design points to intelligence wherever it is found, whether human or non-human. In this article, I will explore how we could infer non-human intelligence if we were to discover purposeful arrangements of parts on other planets, or in the case of contact with a spacecraft from another star system. 1. Purposeful arrangement in hypothetical extraterrestrial artifacts. Let's imagine that future astronauts land on Mars or another distant planet and discover an unfamiliar structure or device, clearly composed of parts arranged in a purposeful manner. How would we know this object was the product of non-human intelligence rather than a natural formation? Design complexity and function. The key to recognizing design lies in the complexity and functionality of the object. If we found an arrangement of metal components, gears, or other mechanical parts, fitted together in such a way that they performed a specific function, such as moving, generating power, or transmitting signals, we could infer the involvement of an intelligent mind. The components would need to be finely tuned to work together, indicating a deliberate plan. Example: a Martian device. Suppose we discovered a device on Mars that consisted of a rotating mechanism connected to a set of lenses that appeared to focus sunlight for some purpose, perhaps to generate heat or electricity. The arrangement of the parts, precision-engineered components working together for a functional purpose, would be unmistakable as a product of design. If no human missions could have left such a device, we would be justified in inferring that a non-human intelligence, perhaps an extraterrestrial civilization, had placed it there. Such a discovery would mirror our understanding of how we infer intelligence in human-made machines. When we see an intricate, purposeful arrangement of parts with a specific function, we do not attribute its origin to random processes but to a designing mind. The same logic applies in the case of extraterrestrial artifacts. 2. Hypothetical spacecraft from another star system. Now consider the possibility of a spacecraft visiting Earth from another star system. If we observed a complex object maneuvering in space, how would we distinguish it from a natural phenomenon, and what would indicate that it was designed by a non-human intelligence? Technological precision. A spacecraft designed by a non-human mind would likely exhibit advanced technology, perhaps beyond our current capabilities. The arrangement of parts would demonstrate engineering precision, with different components working together for propulsion, navigation, communication, or data collection. For example, we might observe thrusters that enable the craft to change direction, solar panels or another energy source for power, and instruments designed to collect information about Earth or space. Example: extraterrestrial probe. If we detected a small object entering our solar system, altering its course in a controlled manner, and transmitting radio signals, we would immediately suspect the presence of intelligence. The purposeful arrangement of its propulsion system, power source, and communication technology would point to a designed object. Natural celestial bodies, such as asteroids or comets, do not exhibit such intentional functionality. This kind of design could only be the result of a non-human mind with the technological expertise to send a probe across interstellar space. The discovery of such a spacecraft would confirm the presence of a non-human intelligence due to the evident purposefulness of its construction. No natural process could account for the coordination and integration of parts needed to create and operate such a machine. 3. Alien structures on a distant planet. Another hypothetical scenario involves discovering artificial structures on a distant planet. If we detect buildings, towers, or machinery on the surface of another world, what would lead us to conclude that these were designed by an intelligent mind? Structural design and purpose. The hallmark of intelligent design is that the parts of a structure are arranged in a way that reflects a specific purpose, whether it is shelter, energy generation, or some other function. Alien structures might take forms that are unfamiliar to us, but the intentional arrangement of parts, whether they are walls, columns, or energy conduits, would signal design. Example: a power station on an exoplanet. Imagine that through telescopic observation, we detect a grid-like structure on the surface of an exoplanet. Upon further analysis, we find that this structure is composed of large panels, potentially designed to collect solar energy, connected by a network of cables or pipes that transport energy or resources to other parts of the structure. This arrangement of parts would clearly serve a specific purpose, indicating that it was designed by an intelligent agent for energy generation or distribution. Such a discovery would strongly point to the existence of non-human intelligence. The purposeful integration of parts into a coherent structure with a functional goal is the essence of design. 4. Non-human communication technology. Another key indicator of non-human intelligence would be the discovery of communication technology. If we intercepted signals from deep space or found a device capable of transmitting data, the organization of the device's components would reveal its intelligent origin. Intentional information transmission. A communication device would likely have antennas, transmitters, receivers, and data storage or processing systems. Each part would play a specific role in the transmission or reception of information, making the arrangement of parts highly purposeful. This complexity would distinguish the device from naturally occurring objects, which do not transmit structured information. Example: a non-human beacon. Suppose that while exploring the outer reaches of the solar system, we encountered an object emitting a repeating signal. Upon investigation, we found that the object had an internal arrangement of machinery, an antenna, a power source, and a signal processor. This purposeful arrangement, designed to send signals, would be clear evidence that the object was not natural but created by a non-human mind seeking to communicate. The purposeful arrangement of parts in communication technology serves as a strong indicator of intelligent design. The ability to organize components to transmit information requires understanding of both the medium and the goal, something that only a mind could achieve. 5. Artificial ecosystems are machines with biological components. In some speculative scenarios, we might encounter not just mechanical systems but hybrid systems, machines integrated with biological components. Such a discovery would provide even stronger evidence of non-human intelligence, as it would demonstrate the ability to manipulate both technology and biology in a purposeful manner. Biological machine integration. If we found a device or structure that incorporated biological elements, perhaps sensors made from living tissue, or machines that use biological energy, we would infer an advanced level of design. This combination of biological and mechanical parts for a specific function would reveal deep knowledge of both biological systems and engineering principles. Example: a living probe. Imagine discovering a spacecraft that, upon close inspection, integrates living cells into its navigation system. These cells might respond to environmental cues, allowing the probe to adjust its course based on chemical signals or light levels. The arrangement of biological and mechanical parts, working in tandem to achieve specific functions, would offer undeniable evidence of non-human design. No natural process could produce such an advanced, purposeful integration of living and non-living systems. Such a discovery would not only suggest intelligence but would also provide insight into the capabilities and intentions of the designers, revealing a sophisticated understanding of both life and technology. Conclusion: purposeful arrangement of parts as evidence of non-human intelligent design. The discovery of purposeful arrangement of parts is one of the most powerful indicators of intelligent design, whether human or non-human. If we were to find complex machines, communication technology, or artificial structures on another planet or in a spacecraft visiting from another star system, the evidence would point unmistakably to the work of non-human minds. The ability to infer intelligence from design is not limited to human artifacts. It extends to any arrangement of parts that serves a clear and functional purpose. Whether we discover mechanical systems, communication devices, or even hybrid machines that integrate biological components, the purposeful coordination of these parts provides strong evidence for intelligent agency. In the search for extraterrestrial life or advanced civilizations, the discovery of purposeful arrangement would serve as a clear sign of intelligence, revealing that we are not alone in the universe. This principle of design, grounded in our understanding of how intelligence works through purposeful arrangement, offers a framework for identifying non-human minds wherever they may be found, whether on distant planets or in spacecraft visiting us from beyond the stars. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.